Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Oge and I'm reaching you from Abuja, Nigeria. I blog about food, healthy living, great recipes, and then ways to go about them on a budget without necessarily having to break your bank. So in this video, I'm sharing with you one of the ways you can live a healthy lifestyle by boosting your immune system. This is black seed oil. Black seed oil is a very popular kind of oil and is very good for your body. It's an ancient oil that contains many benefits for your body, including to boost your immune system. As we all know, boost the immune system is like the foundation of our healthy living. Once we're able to boost our immune system, then we are good. Of course, there are so many things you can do to boost your immune system, and this is one of them. This helps to boost your immune system and keep you healthy at all times. And of course, that doesn't mean when you're doing this you shouldn't have your balanced diet. I shared a video on balanced diet and I'm going to be linking that to this video. This is what the leaflet looks like. It contains some strange language writings which I don't know, but it also has an English part which I'm going to be reading with you, to you guys in details. You can also look at it with me. This is black seed oil. Black seeds cure all illness except death. The botanical name for black seed oil is Nigella sativa. Black seeds oil is 100% natural. The seeds are cold pressed or expelled and are solvent free. Black seeds, also known as black cumin, are historically famous for being one of the greatest healing herbs with a history of more than 2,500 years. In the past, it was famously used as a nutritional supplement. Black seeds oil has numerous beneficial properties. Some are listed below. Number 1, this herb has been used for ages in Middle East, Africa, and South Asia as a remedy for allergies, inflammation, purification of blood, and strengthening the immune system. Number 2, it is effective against diseases such as bronchitis, asthma, nephropathy, and poor digestion. Number 3, it is used for relief in congestion and it acts as a general tonic to boost immune function. Number 4, it is famous for enhancing blood circulations. Number 5, regular use has shown that black seed oil controls blood pressure and cholesterol as well. The recommended dosage is 1 teaspoon daily with meal. It can be mixed with juice or other beverages to get better taste. With Hemani black seed oil, we have generated our best efforts and used the latest technology in order to get the best quality of black seed oil. Our objective is to provide the best quality products for healthy life. Note: to ensure best condition, store in a cool and dry place. So this black seed oil is very effective against many kinds of disease. Like as I may have already said in my previous videos, our immune system is the foundation of healthy living. So if we're able to boost our immune systems, then we can be guaranteed that diseases and sicknesses stay away from us, except of course the ones from the village people, which of course prayers can handle. So boosting immune system there's no two ways about it. It should not be underestimated. You need to take it really seriously. Of course, there are different ways to boost your immune system, and that's why I'm here to show you guys the many different ways that you can boost your immune system and live a healthy lifestyle. When using black seed oil, you want to be sure that you're not having any kind of bleeding, maybe internal bleeding or some injury that is bleeding. You don't want to use black seed oil when you have some bleeding issues, because black seed oil helps to thin the blood, and when it thins the blood, if there's already an existing bleeding issue, then the bleeding can increase. But if you don't have any bleeding issues, you want to go ahead with your black seed oil. Another reason you may not want to use black seed oil is when you're pregnant and maybe you're in your third trimester or about 1 month or so before delivery, because black seed oil will help prevent contraction, natural contraction. When you're in your first trimester or even when you're trying to conceive, black seed oil is very good for you and it reduces the chance of miscarriage. But if you're almost due, you, of course, when you're close to your delivery, you know that they normally give 2 weeks plus and minus. So because you'll be expected to start having some kind of labor signs or some contractions, black seed oil can help prevent those contractions. And then when you've put to bed, you're trying to make your womb contract back, you want to avoid black seed oil because it can actually prevent your tummy from going back in as it ordinarily would. But if there is really need for you to boost your immune system, why not go ahead after delivery? Why not go ahead and use the black seed oil, and then you're going to supplement with other foods and of course exercises to make sure your tummy goes back in. Also, if you have low blood pressure, you want to be very careful while you're using black seed oil. Even though black seed oil is good for just everybody, don't overuse it if you have low blood pressure, so that it doesn't drop too low. So just make sure you use your discretion to, you can use it maybe one every other day and something like that, except of course you have a doctor's recommendation to do so. Black seed oil is very good for you. You don't want to take it for granted. By the way, guys, this video is not in any way sponsored. This is just me sharing ideas and tips on how you can live a healthy lifestyle without necessarily breaking the bank. Black seed oil can be used in your juices, like I have already read. It can be added to your juices, your smoothies, your meals. When you're eating them, it can be used as a supplement. I shared another video on supplements and I'll be linking that in this video. You can use it as a daily supplement. Recommended dose is 1 teaspoon per day, and that's just it. The taste is a bit weird, but you can get used to it if you start trying, and you just keep doing this and you don't even realize you're doing anything. Just eat it with your food. You can even drink it right before you eat, so you don't have to taste that weird taste. You can mix it with your cream, with your hair oil. You can rub it directly on your skin. It's that good. It's versatile. You can do all kinds of things with it. It's very good for your body. You want to give it a try if you've not already started implementing it. This oil was very beneficial to me and my family during that COVID period. We used to call it Ogun COVID, and I used to make this mixture and give to my people to drink morning and night, and it helps to boost the immune system. As you guys already know, there are all kinds of toxins out there, and you want to be sure that your family and yourself are healthy and your body is well prepared to ward off all those diseases, guys. So that's all for this leaflet. And in this video, I want to just mix this black seed oil with some honey, which is a powerful immune booster, and you want to give it a shot. If you combine with this is a repurposed bottle that has a what's it called again, dropper, and I use it for my baby when they are below 2 years. This is my babies when they are below 2 years. So I'm going to be adding some of this black seed oil into it, and I'll be showing you guys how I go about it. So this combination is honey, original honey, guys, honey and black seed oil, powerful mixture. This is a leftover container I usually use. I can make it more sophisticated in the future, but for now, this is what it is. So this is some leftover ones, and what I'm doing now is to add more honey, because we're already almost running out. Add more honey to this and add black seed oil to it in equal quantities. If you have any particular issue you're trying to address, you want to do this, take this mixture 1 tablespoon. Normally you're supposed to take 1 teaspoon of black seed oil per day, but because you're trying to address an issue that black seed oil can help you regulate, or you're trying to boost your immune system really fast, you can use this twice daily. Please make sure to please ensure that you have your honey from natural sources and not sugars, because most people these days just make honey from sugar. And if you're trying to live a healthy life, you're trying to run away from sugar, and then people now cook sugar and then present as honey. That's not fair anyways. So try to look for original honey and then mix. This is me pouring the black seed oil into the container I used for my baby, and yeah, that's it, guys. And so this mixture is expected to be taken for best result. Naturally, in the leaflet, it said once a day, 1 teaspoon. But if you, for some reason, you need to increase to really boost your immune system, you want to take this twice a day with your vitamin D3, right? You want to act as recommended. You can take this morning and night, before food in the morning, and the last thing you take at night. Do this and let me know your results. Drop your comments below and then share this video with your friends to make sure that they get to know what they can do, different things that can be done to help boost your immune system. This can be used in your meals. You can add it to your soups, your stews, if you can take if you can cope with the taste. The taste is not bitter, but it has some weird flavor that you can only take when you're consuming it. This is made from a black seeds. This oil is extracted from black seeds, which is black cumin, and it's very, very good for your body. You want to give it a try, you want to give it a shot. If you, for some reason, you need to boost your immune system, this is the way to go, guys. Trust me and give it a try. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I hope you are going to do this and boost your immune system. This is the level where the honey is below and the oil usually floats on top. So when I'm using it, like I said earlier, I'll just shake them and then fetch what I want. I usually take this and then I give it to every other person in my family. Stay safe, because there are all kinds of toxins out there. You want to stay safe and also stay safe with your family. So if you like this video, guys, please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and then share with your friends. Also, drop your comments below if there's anything in particular you want me to do and that I have not said or done. Please let me know in the comments below. By the way, this video is not sponsored. This is not a sponsored video. It's just me sharing ideas with you guys. So I'll see you in my next video, guys. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.